Hello, I'm Debbie Peverill. Welcome to the PINSFinancialLearning.ca website's weekly tip. What I want to say a couple words about this week is some planned, or I should say proposed, I guess, Canada pension plan changes. The provincial government and PEI is suggesting that the maximum amount of earnings that you can make CPP contributions based on be raised so that the amount of maximum pension that you can receive in the future will also be raised. So the numbers are, currently the maximum contribution is $2,356. The idea is that this could be raised to a maximum of $4,681. Now, for those of us who are self-employed, you are going to pay both halves of that, which would mean that your Canada pension plan would be perilously close to costing you $10,000 a year, the employee and the employer portion. Also, as a self-employed person, you might have other employees, and that will raise the amount of contribution you're making for them as well. However, the assumption is that this will mean that the amount of pension that people can receive on retirement will also be raised. The current maximum is $12,150. If you contributed the maximum amount of Canada pension plan throughout your entire working life, you would currently get a pension of $12,150 a year. If you had contributed the maximum at the new level throughout all of your working life, then what you would be receiving would be $23,400 a year. Now, nobody currently is going to get that because it doesn't get phased into 2016. So a couple things to keep in mind. Pay attention to what's happening with these changes, because if the Canada pension is going to become more worthwhile because it's a higher amount, then you might change your retirement planning. And as an employer, if these amounts get to be kind of higher, you might be thinking about how you can afford to employ employees when it's this much more money that you're going to have to pay out every year for Canada pension. So keep an eye on this. There may be some strategies that we need in order to deal with these kind of changes. Thanks. I hope to see you next week.